If you sculpt a lot of characters, for example, at the end of the process, you will most likely go through Retopology, which is one of the most annoying and time-consuming processes in 3D modeling. But in today's video, we're gonna go through and explore some add-ons which are gonna help you with the Retopology inside the Blender, and maybe even help you like it or enjoy it a little bit. Before we continue, I wanted to let you know guys that the Blender market is having right now a huge summer sale with 25% discount on thousands of Blender products from add-ons, courses, shaders, you name it. Also, if you don't know where to start, I have in the description of this video a list of the best add-ons and courses that can take your project to the next level. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Before jumping to the Retopology add-ons, I want to address a problem with the geometry of some models, mostly 3D scanned ones, and the mesh of those scanned objects has a lot of geometry problems. And if you want to use them, they need to be cleaned before the Retopology process. For that, there is an add-on called Mesh Repair Tools. The add-on offers a variety of tools for correcting mesh issues, allowing you to fix them with a few clicks, and you can customize the repair process to meet your specific requirements. And it focuses on essential functions, providing most of the tools that you will need. From what I can see, the add-on can be great for simplifying mesh cleanup and the repair and process of the models. And with it, you can easily remove unwanted artifacts like small mesh islands and spikes. And you can dissolve problematic triangles and fill any holes in your mesh. And these tools help you ensure that your model is clean, allowing you to create a more efficient and manageable topology, using features like flatten surface and recalculate selected face normals. And with these, you can prepare your mesh for clean edge loops and correct shading, making the Retopology process smoother and more effective. And now talking about Retopology, we have one of the best add-ons in the field called Retopoflow. It is known within the Blender community for its functionality and ease of use. The add-on works in a separate mode inside the Blender, and in this mode, you will be offered a set of great tools to speed up Retopology and help you do it properly. I think you know that Blender displays geometry while doing Retopology, which is fairly annoying. So you will need to keep playing around with shrink wrap, object scale, snapping, mesh visibility, displacement or mirror settings to be somewhat able to see what you're working on. And it is still not gonna be perfect. However, Retopoflow got rid of all of that, because now you can find the high and low poly mesh properly layered inside it. And the add-on uses a set of tools to make the work easier. And those are contours and polystrips tools to create segments. And you can fill in large areas with the strokes tool. On the other hand, the poly pen lets you draw on the mesh to fill it with quads. You also have the knife tool, which works just like the native Blender knife tool. And for fixing the mesh, we have the relax and tweak tools. And you can use the patches tool to fill big holes in geometry. And finally, you have the loops tool, which is, I think, self-explanatory. The next add-on is called Speedretopo. This add-on will help you streamline the Retopology process by offering you a multitude of tools and features, as you can see. And it provides an intuitive and easy UI containing a bunch of selected Retopology modifiers like shrink wrap, mirror, and the surface modifier. The modifiers can be turned off and on and refreshed, so you'll be more in control while you work. It also has a decimate tool for use on the reference. And the add-on also comes with its own tools for streamlining the Retopology process, like B-Surf, tools to relax and space vertices, wheel fill, and more. And as far as Retopology tools go, this is a great one, and a popular one as well. Another interesting add-on for Retopology is called Softwrap, which is interesting and weird at the same time, but effective nonetheless. This add-on uses one of your old meshes, preferably one that is optimized, to wrap it around the model that you want to retopologize like a glove. The add-on actually was created by accident during some experiments with particle simulations and has been evolving since, according to the developer. And it works by running a custom soft body simulation on a mesh, while snapping in a way similar to the shrink wrap modifier. This add-on actually comes with a bunch of tools to help you better tweak and fit the mesh around the object, and to achieve the desired result, of course, because this is why we are here in the first place. Still around the same topic, we have another add-on called Beta Quad. This add-on was still experimental because it has some limitations. It is very useful in what it does, and this is to quickly retopologize a single angle face into multiple small quad faces. The add-on works on faces by creating quads that are smoothly following the shape of the original face. And it does not work on faces smaller than its quad size, in addition to sculpted meshes or high polygons and triangle meshes. Actually, the add-on is still in development, and we might not see those limitations in the future anymore. But bear in mind that the goal of this tool is focusing on selected end-on faces. Now we're gonna move to an add-on called Petik, which is described as the Retopology patchmaker. And as you may have guessed by its name, this is a Retopology tool that uses patches to work. So the add-on gives you the possibility to make patches with up to 6 sides, each with a variable number of vertices, and this will give you control over your mesh or how to make it. However, this add-on is not only for patching holes in geometry, because you can use its features to make meshes from scratch and use them to retopologize your model. It may require some control and know-how though, but keep in mind that this add-on is made with speed and flexibility in mind. And another patching and retopology tool is called Easy Patch, as you can tell from the name. This tool may look simple, but there is more to it than you can think of. Basically, you can use it to create a fast customizable topology, patch a hole, or reduce edges in a mesh. And it can be used to quickly and precisely fill holes by selecting the edges, and the neat thing about it is that you can change the vertex count and even control the edge flow inside. The Retopology works the same as the hole patch, but here you can use the mouse to draw the lines to create a patch of geometry that can be customized to what you will need, which is a great way to exactly direct the edge flow. And for the ones that still don't know how to reduce the edges, or those who are tired of doing it manually, this add-on can also help you do that. The next add-on in today's video is called Polymating. What I can tell you about this tool is that it will take a big chunk of your retopology time, but you will still need to work a little bit to get your final result. This add-on is basically a superior version of the shrink wrap modifier as far as I can see. The workflow with the add-on consists of blocking a low poly mesh on top of a high poly one, and from here you only need to start polymating, and the low poly mesh will be projected on the surface. After that, all that is left is for you to smooth and tweak the geometry using the sculpt mode and other tools that can be found in Blender. Last but not least, we have an add-on called Retopo Planes. This Blender add-on is designed to simplify the retopology process, especially for close. It basically converts your models to 2D patterns that you can edit accordingly. And the add-on has a user-friendly interface, as you can see, and tools for creating and manipulating planes on high-resolution models. These planes can be easily adjusted to match the original model's shape. Additionally, it offers advanced snapping and alignment features to ensure precise retopology, especially with complex garments, and it provides control over the edge flow and polygon distribution and density for optimal topology with symmetry editing for faster workflow. And I think all these features can make it a really good add-on. This one, by the way, is new, and it is making waves because it is useful and it is becoming popular. And this add-on can be a very cool addition, especially if you work with software such as Marvelous Designer or any clothing software for streamlining and speeding your topology. And there you have it, guys. If you are interested in these add-ons, you will find all the necessary links in the description. I hope you guys found this video useful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also, please subscribe to this channel to receive more videos like this. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.